Hi, my name is Lina. I'm a 25-year-old model. I'm born in Germany and I'm based here in Korea for a year now. I haven't dated in Korea and today will be my first date in Korea. I would like to try out cooking with a guy. I think it's really fun to learn new recipes together. I'm really new to Korean food, so exploring Seoul would be also a really fun idea. Enjoying the weather, the view together, going for a walk and talking about our lives. I would start with I really wonder why they would have chosen a dinosaur as their animal. But lately I've been really into chameleons, so I think I would go first with it. And then maybe, I wonder they choose the giraffe because they're tall. So maybe the second, and since I'm very curious, the last, the dinosaur. I think that will be my order.
Hello.
Hi, Chameleon.
How are you?
I'm
Roger,
good.
nice
I'm
to meet
Lina.
you.
Nice to meet you too.
It's for you.
Thank you. Why did you choose the chameleon?
It's a long story, but I think I can adapt to any situation. So, yeah.
I chose you first because I'm really into chameleons lately.
Yeah?
I watch a lot of videos of them. So I will keep him here.
Okay.
Hello, I'm Roger. I'm from Spain. I came to Korea 6 months ago to open a cocktail bar with a friend.
I personally was very nervous. I didn't know what to expect since he was the first guy. My first impression was probably his height. There was this lamp right at where we were cooking and he nearly bumped into it. His appearance seemed younger to me than he actually was. I was for a moment even worried he's maybe younger than me. But I liked his smile, so that's plus points. And I like the height for sure too.
It's weird because sometimes, you know, I'm Spanish, so you know that we are saying hi, giving two kisses. And here it's like, I don't know if I should give you a hand, hug.
Yeah, I'm from Germany, we hug a lot. So we
You hug?
can
Okay. Okay.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Okay, should we start?
Did you ever cook Korean food?
No.
I
You
did.
like Korean food?
I do like
Yeah?
it. Yeah, I tried cooking some, but japchae I'm very new to.
Yeah, I mean, I would say I'm a good cooker, but Spanish food or Italian food, but with this, I'm new.
Should we wash the hands first, right?
Yeah. You first, please.
I know the second step are aprons. Let's get them.
Okay. Oh, wait.
Which one do you like?
Which one do you like?
You can. I will wear
Okay.
this one.
Want me to help you?
Yes. Thank you. Should I help you?
Oh, okay.
I think it's like, here's your head. And then your
Okay,
arms.
You're here because...
Yes.
Thank you.
Like this. Like this.
Love
Good.
your eyes, by the way.
Thank you.
Your right there was like, whoa, shocked.
Thank you.
Okay.
She was pretty, of course, and she was taller than I was expecting. I loved her eyes, to be honest.
Yeah, I think we should wash them.
And what do you like the most about Korea?
So, I grew up in a small village in Germany, and I'm the big city. I really enjoy. Like, there's always something going on. The people are great, and the food is awesome.
That's a bit awkward.
The greens now. No, you just cut it one time in the house.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I think he was very nervous, and it felt a lot of times a little awkward. Maybe if I could change something, maybe to find a way to make him feel more comfortable.
No, yeah, it's not about being nervous. It's just that I didn't know what to do or how to prepare that. And then I looked at her, and the way she was preparing, I was trying to copy.
I'm like a mess, and you're perfectly ready.
It's not that bad. I will start with the sauce. Maybe you can help me find
Okay.
2 spoons from this one. You can fit more.
More?
Sure.
Like salty or? How you were doing?
Oh, this oil.
Interesting. More salt or is it good?
You should try it too.
Okay.
What do you think?
If I don't like it, it's your fault.
Indeed. Maybe a little more
Good.
pepper. I think we're good.
Okay. What's the next step? Thank you.
The best part, the meat.
Because you spent the last year, you were here for Christmas, right? How was it?
It was good. We had a good dinner.
I'm not gonna say ever again that I'm a good singer.
You put the veggies in there.
Yeah.
Not yet.
Okay, maybe you can be here. You can be here. Okay.
Wait, let's put the noodles in.
Okay. Yeah. This kind of pasta is like chewing gum.
It's what is in English? It's like we call it Glasnudeln. They're chewy noodles. Now the greens. The rest you forgot.
Okay. I put some of them before, but I think it's a special Spanish touch.
While cooking, I was kind of trying to find the spark between each other, but there's no connection between us.
So at some point we were kind of stuck and we were focusing on the cooking class and the conversation was not fluent at all.
We can sizzle over the sesame oil and sesame seeds.
Special that. But more?
That's
or?
great, I think. Thank you. And the same here. Okay.
More like this? Or? Oh, okay.
And for you.
Very good, Dave.
That makes everything more pretty.
Yeah. Okay, you're gonna try mine and say if if you like it, but honestly.
Maybe your greens are a little overdone.
Not maybe for sure, but I think it's presentable as a restaurant.
It's perfect. This is japchae. It is eaten on like special occasions, and I like to think today is a special occasion.
Yeah, of course, it is. Okay, good to know. It's perfect situation. So this is like a, for me, cooking. It's like a typical thing for marriage. Like you're sharing. It's very personal. Like.
It's like we're living together right now.
The way she is and the things I saw is like there is expression, it's wife material.
Maybe we should try this with
Right.
rice.
This is japchae, but there's a japchae bap. Bap is rice in Korean. So when we mix it with rice, we have japchae bap.
You have to try with this.
Right.
It's very red, so for sure it's very spicy.
Yeah, we mix that then with the
Well,
chip.
I'm gonna try it for you, but I don't think maybe I'm dying here, but just a little bit, just in case.
So you've been here for 6 months, you said, right?
Yeah,
Did you date it before here?
here, well, not dating. Well, yeah, but not Korean people. At the beginning, I didn't think about staying so long, as I said before, but maybe now, yeah, I'm open to anything.
Good. Yeah.
What are you looking for?
Yeah, also something fixed, something for the future, because I came here and I want to stay. Because
Forever? Well, you never know, but
you never know. Yeah, I am settling with my life and I'm feeling like ready for a relationship.
good. Good to know.
Before we finish the food, I want to make a
Sure.
picture of it to remember.
Yeah, I can take a selfie. Yeah.
Okay.
You have to show. You have to send me before.
Yes.
Before later.
Later, I will. Since we both cook together, we need someone who will wash the dishes.
Okay, we can decide depending on the
And I
whose
think
food
it's
is better.
yeah, only fair about how we cooked. And I remember your greens being a little too long in your pan.
Okay, I admit it. So yeah, okay, I'm gonna wash the dishes.
That was easy. Good.
Can we take a look around? Just. What is that? It looks like cacao, right?
I don't know. Is it like a palm tree?
Only 1 minute?
15 minutes went like so
1 minute.
fast.
Oh, it's so sad.
Oh.
No. Okay. It was really nice.
Maybe there's a way I can do the time longer. I don't know.
Okay. How are we gonna do it? We're gonna run away. Thank you so much for everything. It was very nice to meeting you. I hope to see you again.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna take advantage you like hugs, and I'm gonna give you another one. Let's go.
Now thinking about the earning minutes, maybe I should have done something different, in a different way. If I had more time, I would have asked so many things.
I was actually nervous after this because there was like no connection, no spark. I was nervous for the second date. I was worried maybe today will be a disaster or something. So I was a little worried after the first date.